after I moved around pairs a little bit, switching up balls, going to some more solids, I think definitely the solid balls are going to be in play. I'll probably start out and see how long those balls last. I know I have some options in the NV Tour Pearl, the Black Widow 2.0 hybrid, but I think that Purple Hammer Solid Reactive is going to be the one for me to start. Maybe even that Cuda. Both of them seem pretty good here. Balanced out some of that friction on the left and some of the oil inside, but for me this weekend, the key is going to be to play the oil for sure and to make sure I'm on the ball changes and the changes within my pair to make sure that I can keep striking throughout. Because the scores are going to be very, very high. And they got my boy Kev on the wall. Shoo-wee! Are you gonna shout yourself out?
Instagram, Rory Clark.
He helped us out and we thank him by following him on his pages. Zeke has helped us in the past and now it's his turn to win a free bowling ball at the Pro-Am. If you shoot 300, you win a free bowling ball.
There it is, Jake.
Zeke! Please throw it good. Giving away a ball?
Yeah, hopefully right here.
Hopefully right here. Oh, he stood right in front of it. Yeah, baby, Kevin, go give him a ball.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats on your bowling ball. This is Kevin's 4th bowling ball that he might give away.
I know. He's killing me.
That's a $150 bowling ball. Do it.
That's all 10.
Oh!
He's killing me.
He is literally killing you. We got 6-1 Arts here, and you painted this whole place.
The entire place, all by hand.
Outside, inside.
Outside, inside, brushes, cans, everything.
And where can they find you at?
You can find me at these61arts.com, on Instagram at these61arts, or on Facebook at Garrett61artsjackson.
All right, so he painted this entire building. So if you guys want him to paint something for you, or if you want something or like this, or if you just want him to do something for you specifically, you can reach him on any of his social medias or his website. This place is unbelievable.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks,
Thank you.
guys. Appreciate
Looks
it.
awesome in here. Well, guys, it's the last day of the regional, and I wanted to show you what the owner of the bowling alley hooked us up with here today. Just huge shout out to him. He hooked us up with this amazing lakeside condo. It's like 3 bedrooms. Kevin McCune and Eugene McCune stayed. Troy, if you're watching, thank you so much for hooking us up with this. I got a little bit of a drive to get to the bowling alley. I got some striking to do because I'm about 90 back and I averaged 240 yesterday. So I got to strike even more and figure it out quicker than I did yesterday because I definitely figured out something there at the end. I just got to do it a little quicker today. I mean, this place is sweet. Will I be back? Absolutely. Who's gonna win today? Huh? 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 Hopefully it's me. Thank you, sir. Stop. All right. why you fucking slapping your cheeks over here. Shot. Perfect. All right, so we're like 3 games in right now. I got 230, 230, 220. 2 of those were losses, which means I'm probably like 160 backs. Boog shot his 3rd 300 of the tournament, which obviously means he's leading right now. So we got some work to do the back 5, and I need a lot of wins. I probably need to win. I probably need to go 4-1 if I want to have a chance. Never hooked. That. Tournaments start to go like this, I really want to tell everybody what you should do. When they start to not go your way, you should take it as much as possible to learn as much as you possibly can, because I'm going to have an environment like this again, and I'm going to need to figure it out. And maybe next time I'm in this environment, I'm not at the bottom of the scoreboard or at the bottom of the leaderboard. So right now I know I can't win, so I'm trying to get as much knowledge from the lanes as I possibly can. So I really, really will push you guys to hopefully do the same. When tournaments aren't going well, so just use it as a learning experience. Don't waste your money and learn nothing when you bowl. Try and learn as much as possible, even when it's frustrating like it is for me right now. Focus more than that. One strike.
Yikes.
All right, so we're on our way back, and you know, one of the things I learned from this tournament, try and be yourself. I tried to create a lot of ball reaction watching other people instead of just watching what my ball was doing, understanding what it was doing, and trying to make it better and improve from there. So that's one of the things I learned. Another something that I learned was you really shouldn't ever give up. I was down in a hole there, and I never gave up. I had a string of bad games there, and I decided that I was just going to learn as much as I possibly could the last 3 or 4 games of the tournament when I really wasn't going to either move up or down in the standings, whether it's making a little extra money or just finishing, you know, 6th or 5th instead of 8th. I decided to make some ball changes, make some changes with my speed to see if I could figure it out. If I was to teach a lesson or give you guys something along the way, that would be it. It would be never give up, but not only never give up, try and learn something when you are down and out. That way you can change for the next time, because I will see something like that again. I'm sure I'll be in more situations like that, and hopefully next time I'm not at the bottom, I'm closer to the top, where I can take what I've learned and apply it to hopefully chase down a victory. But Boog was absolutely lights out. He was amazing. He shot 4 300s. He had a chance at like 2 more going into the 9th and 10th frames. I mean, it was unreal to watch. He averaged 259 for the 16 games, which is ridiculous. So shout out to Boog for bowling amazing. As for me, a little bit of a learning lesson. I averaged about 235-ish. I think I ended up in like 6th place. So a good weekend, a solid weekend, and now we got to go to the PBA League and hopefully apply some of that knowledge.